We're gonna make a bridal bouquet with 5 stems of sunflowers. It's about 7 stems of purple tulips and about 5 stems of pink limonium. We also have some burlap to tie it up with, floral tape to keep everything together, some boutonniere pins that's going to help keep the burlap on top, and some floral scissors you're going to need to cut the stems once everything's arranged. So we're going to start by arranging the sunflowers. These guys have a little bit, if you notice, about most of them have this, they have a little bend in them, so they kind of tilt to one side. What you're gonna do, what it's easiest to do, is kind of find the one that sticks up the most. This one just happens to be the biggest and it kind of sticks up. So, and then kind of arrange everything, with its back to that one. So you get nice and even arrangement of the sunflowers. And then you're gonna kind of slide the tulips in wherever you see a space that might need them. And kind of same goes for the limonium. Just gonna slide these in, every little open space. And you can always fix everything after you get everything in. It's just hard, these stems are really large for the sunflowers, so sometimes it's a little harder to work with. You can pull these leaves off if you need, if they're in the way. Once you have the tulip situated, you can go ahead and add in your filler. You have the pink limonium. We're just gonna place it, one stem in there, kind of move the other stems around. The little branches in here, and you can kind of place them where you need them. Probably don't need that much because a little goes a long way with this stuff. Most of the fillers are that way as well. And again, if you didn't see the bridesmaid one, you can always cut some of the excess ones if they're sticking up a little bit too much. You can cut them out, so don't worry about those right away. Pull them through wherever they need to be. Pull everything back into place. Once you have your floral bouquet all set to go, you got your tulips, your fillers, and if you're adding greens, everything's all arranged. You're just gonna wanna floral tape it together. I find it easier to cut yourself a piece of floral tape beforehand so you don't have to wrap the whole roll around everything. If you have 2 people, it definitely helps. If not, you're just going to want to take the beginning of the floral tape and kind of hold it down, pull, kind of get at least one loop going, and then floral tape towards the top of everything and just keep going around. And you're gonna pull and press down, make sure it's on there tightly. At the end, you're just going to pull and push down hard so it sticks to itself. And for the last part, you're just going to want to take your burlap or ribbon, whatever you're using, and secure it to hide the floral tape. So what you're going to do is start with pinning in a few places right here. You're gonna, if you're using burlap, you're gonna want to find a little crosshair between the two and push down. Again, you're gonna want to push up or down on these, not straight through, because you don't want to poke yourself. So go right in. About 3 of these is good to secure the bottom part, and then you're just gonna wrap around and then secure this piece in, same way. And there you go. You can give the stems a cut. And if you're doing this the day before, you're definitely going to want to keep the stems in a couple of inches of water and keep the flowers fresh. So it's good to leave them a little bit longer and wait till the next day to cut. If not, you're all set there.